But let's get started. And our first exercise today is the clean. But what is a clean? Well, it comes from weightlifting. And what you do is you get underneath the bar. It's a heavy bar, you pull it up. But this is not a heavy bar, and it's got bands attached to it. So what we're going to do is we're going to bring the stick up to the middle of the chest, and then flip the elbows under in the squat position, come back down, flip the elbows back over again, and then lower the stick back down to the front of your thighs. All right, let's do it. All right, so bringing the stick up to the middle of the chest and flipping the elbows under. Here we go. Pull under, good, and come over. So lift the elbows up super high and flip them underneath the stick. Now you want to roll the shoulders under and then roll the shoulders over. There you go. Down and over. Under, perfect. And roll it over. Good. Flip it under. Excellent. One more time and relax. Now, this time, clean and press. So you're going to take your arms all the way up above your head and then allow your elbows to flick back over again. Here we go. Clean and press. So now you're taking the arms all the way up. Good job. And you're rolling the shoulders under and rolling the shoulders over. Yep, so there's lots of movement of the upper body. Now check it out. Legs consistently dropping down. So drop your hips down, drop your hips down. Breathe as you push the arms up. It's a big energetic move, this one. And relax. All done. Have your hands a little wider. This time, when you press, you're going to just move the right arm. So just the right arm is going to go up above your head. Here we go. Pull up, press the right arm up. Now you may feel that your heart rate has gone up. Yeah, my heart rate's gone up. Just doing this movement pattern with the Gymstick will get your heart rate up. It's quite amazing actually, because I haven't really moved my feet at all. Yep, so if you don't love running or jumping to get your heart rate up, this is perfect. Because everyone needs to get their heart rate up at least once a day. Everybody. And relax, all done. Alright, so now we're going to go back and do those same 3 exercises again. So we're going to start with the clean first. Now what you might want to do is just change your foot position. You might want to go narrower. You might want to go wider. I'm going to go narrower. So clean. Good. Lift the elbows up and under and then over. Now I'm sitting, standing. So sometimes people get a little confused with this move because they think, oh my God, I can't work out when to sit or stand, because their arms sort of move in off in an opposite direction to where the body is going, right? So when I pull up, I'm going down. Yeah, it doesn't make sense. And relax. Now this time, clean and press. So your arms are going to go all the way up, drop down and lower the stick down to the front of your thighs. Here we go. Clean and press. So the arms are going to go all the way up. Lift, breathe out as you fully extend the arms above your head. Good job. Drop down, reach all the way up. Lift, push. Excellent. Good. Pull up. Whoa. You got this. You got this. Keep the legs in motion. Last time. And relax. Now, if you did go narrower, just take your feet a little bit wider for this one. And we're going to do the left hand shoulder press. Alright, are you ready? So pull up, press the left hand up. Good work. So the elbows come up high and you are fully lengthening out the left arm above your head. Yep, so you've got to try and keep the stick still in that right hand. See how that right hand's not moving anywhere? Good. But that left arm fully lengthens out. Get your backside down. Come on, use your legs here. Good. Push and relax. All done.